Hello guys. So if y'all can remember, last week I uploaded a video about TikTok, on how anybody can grow on TikTok and then make money on TikTok. And some person took action, and I told you guys exactly what I am doing and what I did and the differences I saw. Now I'm just going to take you out to the analytics and see what's going on there. Alright, from last week till now, as at the time I showed you guys about the TikTok followers, was about 80. Alright, okay, it was about 80, and I've not really been that active since that last week because I've been busy with some other things, but I've tried my best to post like couple of 2 days or 3 days. And if you must be very successful with this tip, you have to be posting every single day, at least 3 videos every single day. 3 videos every single day. Alright, so let me just hop into the TikTok right now and let's just check them out and see what's up. Alright, this is TikTok here. Alright, now you see the number of followers that you can see, the 1 like and 3 followers. And I opened this app like about 30 minutes ago, and another 30 minutes I hop back in, there's already 1 like and about 3 followers. Now just check the notification, you will see followers, likes upon likes upon likes upon likes. Alright, so if I open these videos here, you see it's about 26 likes, and you can see when it was posted. Alright, let me show you something. It was posted 16 hours ago and it's about 26 likes already, and the views is about 300 views. Now I want to show you something. Look at the list, the videos. Alright, 118 followers already, and look at the videos. Now one thing about TikTok is, if you are posting consistently at least 3 times a day, one of your video is definitely going to blow up. One of your videos is definitely going to be successful. Now look at these videos here. Look at, since I told you guys all that and then I optimized the channel for that, you can see the videos. Okay, you can see this particular video got about 1k views. Alright, one video will blow up amongst all the videos you're posting. Alright, they will be some of them will be the same tags and everything, but you see that TikTok will just pick one videos and it will grow. And the reason for that is because maybe when the video was first pushed to somebody, that person watched it complete. To some group of persons, those group of persons watched it complete to the end, and that is why that's what navigated the sudden push for one particular video. Alright, so look at this one now. Look at from here, you see the views increase from about 100 to 200 to 500 to 1k. Look at this. This was posted about 1 day ago, that's yesterday, and it's 1k views already, 1.2k views. And look at this other one, 500 views, and then you have 500, 300, 164. Alright, so this one here was posted 16 hours ago. Alright, let me just go back a little bit. Okay, this one was posted 16 hours ago. You see the views, 164 views. This one was posted 16 hours ago. You see the views, 579 views. Now you can see this one was posted 5 hours ago. You can see the views. This one was posted 5 hours ago. You can see the views, over 100 views. This one was the last one I posted 5 hours ago too. You can see the views. Now look at this one. Now I want you to take a look at the tags. Prank, FYB, Godigga prank, boom, Godigga. Alright, look at the other one. Godigga, boom, Godigga prank, FYB, and prank. You can see that the tags are the same. The tags are typically the same. Alright, it's just the rearrangement, but the tags between this video and this video are the same, but one went up. This one typically, triple the views of this one. That is more. that's 400. It's getting to 500 views already, and that's within 5 hours. And there are so many followers coming from this particular one, and they are typically just the same clip of the entire video. All right, so what is there? All right, let's just look at the analytics. All right, check out the analytics of the channel and see if the tips I gave you guys were really working or not. All right, come here, click that, and then check analytics. All right, so now you will discover that from the time, look at videos views, from the time that was applied till now, you can see that the videos views has been on the high, even though I have not been as consistent as possible. But while applying it, look at the views has been on the high. All right, just on the 20th, you can see there was 2k views. This day I did not post anything. All right, so you can see it's just been on the high. All right, now look at the followers range. Now from then till now, the followers has been on the high. It has been on the climbing a triangular kind of high, and guys, to tell you, there has not been any way that it went down or went down a little bit before going up. It has just been growing and growing and growing. Now look at the profile views. The profile views on the 20th, the person on the 20th was more. All right, was more. I think how many? That's 156. That's the 156 persons viewed my profile on the 20th. All right, I posted 3 videos on the 20th. All right, so that's 7 days ago. I wouldn't want to check 28 days ago because 28 days ago I didn't apply this strategy 28 days ago. Now let's check out the contents. All right, these are the contents, the last 7 days contents I posted the last 7 days. You can see that the views has improved drastically within the last 7 days. And guys, I'm talking about content now. Even within the last 5 hours, the views has improved dramatically, and you can't believe that. Now look at the trending. Amongst all the videos, some will just trend. Now this was posted like 7 days ago. Now I told you this strategy. I told you guys like a week ago. Now 7 days ago, look at one of the videos. This one has picked over 2.1k views within that 7 days, and this particular one is about 1.3k views. This one is within a day. This one is about 1.0k views within 2 days. All right, so among all the videos you post, one or two of them will be on the high. All right, 1 or 2, and that's what will help improve your account. All right, so we've already talked about the followers. For me, I have more percentage of the female, and then less percentage of the male, but there's a bit of balances. And then the location is mostly Nigeria, South Africa, and few Ghanas and United States of America. All right, so now this particular one I'm about to talk about is very important. It's very, very important. All right, and that's the followers activities. Now you see this 5 p.m. that is here. This 5 p.m. typically tells you when your followers is most active, which means if I'm right now, if I'm posting this video now, I have to post this video on TikTok as at this time, because this is 4:59. 5 p.m. is when my followers on TikTok are most active. All right, so if I'm posting my content, TikTok will help me to round up and give me the time that my followers are more active, and that will help me keep pace with my posting every single day, which means whenever I get to 5 p.m. I have to post all the videos I have to post. All right, so this is just typically how you grow on TikTok, and how you can gather some analysis that analytics and analysis that will help you improve more on your TikTok videos and TikTok account. All right, even as I'm talking to you, more persons are liking. You can see more persons are liking a whole lot. All right, just refreshed and you see a whole lot of people are liking and revisiting. If I keep scrolling, all right. But one thing is, whenever you post a video, you should be the first to like. And see, the first person to like was me there. All right, so it will help improve. This was 16 hours ago. It will help improve the video and encourage others to do the same. All right, so this is typically how to grow on TikTok and improve your account. So if this video was helpful to you, I want you to smash that like button, make a comment, and share the video to someone. All right, it's very helpful. It will help improve my YouTube account, and if it will help improve if you are watching this on TikTok, my TikTok account as well. All right, love you, see you next video.